Hey guys, so today is another one of our awesome healthy fit days, and I'm going to try to do a little preparation. This one's going to be a little different meal, but I'm also going to show you some of the other foods that I have prepared for today and just kind of give you an idea of how I get my days going. So today I'm choosing for my proteins, I made fish, and I'm going to show you which one I used. I did the Sea Cuisine. It's the Applewood smoked salmon. I like this one because it's got a good amount of protein in it, 21 grams per fillet, and then it only has 170 170 calories per fillet, and it doesn't have a whole lot of sodium in it. So I like to use these. They're easy to bake, and then they do come with the little flavor packets, but I only use one, maybe even a half a packet. So let me show you how I'm going to get these prepared for my meats for today. So you guys know that for mine, I get 4 meats a day. So I'm going to go ahead and take my fish, both of these fillets. I'm going to cut them, get them all chopped up here so that I can get them measured inside my cut. And I'm going to go ahead and section those out so that I see how much fits in so I can get my count right for the day. So it looks like just about 1 fillet makes 1 cup. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here for my meat. And then we're going to go ahead and assume that the other one will be the second container. So we'll just call that 2 meats for today. Let me go ahead and set that aside. And today I did something different for my vegetables. I actually made, which I will post the recipe in a little bit, but I baked a butternut squash and onions, and I just added a little bit of cinnamon and some brown sugar to this, let it bake in the oven for about 50 minutes, and this is actually really delicious. But this is what I'm using for my vegetables for today. So I'm going to find a way to put these kind of on the side over here. Remember, I get 3 containers of these, so I'm gonna fill this bad boy up, and we'll make 1 of these for the night. That is a lot of vegetables. I'm gonna be full after all of this. Get that put in my container for dinner if I can get it to fit in there. Yeah. Okay. And then I also get 2 carbs, which again, I'm choosing the rice that I made from before. It's the one that has the cilantro and paprika that I used. I flavored it up before. Let me go ahead and scoop this out and get it separated, so that I have my container of my carbs. Put that in here. And then there you go. Meal 1 is done. So I'm gonna go ahead, put a cover on that. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and use just half of 1 of these flavor packets because I don't really like all the sodium, excuse me, that comes with it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my fish, just to give it a little flavor, give it that Applewood flavor it's supposed to have. So I only used about half a pack of that. You get this down, I might have to do a little bit of spreading over here, spread my vegetables into my rice, and that's okay. It's not gonna hurt anything. That's a lot of food, delicious. Okay, so there's my fish. That's 2 meats. I'm still gonna need to fix another one. So since I really like this, I'm going to use another container. So we're going to call this vegetable number 2 for the night. I'm going to go ahead and fill some of this up in here. And put that down. Put it on the bottom this time. And I did go ahead and make some more chicken. Now what I do is I will thaw my chicken in the refrigerator with a little bit of spice. I'll let it kind of set all day, and then I'll just grill it up right when I wake up. So that way I have fresh chicken, but I have a whole nother almost 2 pounds of chicken right here. So I'm gonna chop up a couple of these so that way I can fit them inside my container and make my third meat for the night. So let me get another one of these out of here. Chop it up real quick. Okay, that should be good. Let me get this inside my container, make sure that I have enough. That's about perfect. Go ahead and put that in there. And then again, I'm gonna use the same carb that I had before, my one rice right here that I used before. This one separated out, and I'm gonna set this one on the side over here. So there's meal 2. This one has chicken, the squash, which is my vegetable. The chicken is my meat, obviously, and then of course the carb is my rice. For today, I'm gonna just do a banana and an apple. I'm just taking them solid as my fruits to come with me. But I decided for my healthy fats that I'm gonna use my cocoa covered peanuts. So I'm actually gonna take this little container and I'm gonna put my little peanuts in here. And I'm just gonna take that with me tonight. I'm gonna cover it up, and that'll be my healthy fats for the night right there. So that's just a little quick way that I've prepared my meals for tonight. I just wanted to let you guys kind of see that. And of course, I'm finishing my Shakeology drink, which is always awesome. These are delicious. But I just wanted to give you guys another idea. So that was fish that I chose. And of course, it's the easy bake fish. I still have my vegetables in case I wanted something different. These are my easy freezer, steamer vegetables that I like to use. But this is how I prep my foods, and I keep everything together, have all my little containers, and that way I just have everything good and ready to go. So all I have to do is chop it up, section it out, put them in a little container, and take it with me. So once again, that's just how I like to prep my foods with the 21-day fix. So hopefully you guys can get something that you like, and it'll work for you too. Have a good day.